Okay. So let's start with the uh, cash sales. Okay. So what is cash sales? Cash sales is your same kind of how you create your sales order. It's this also your order will be created, but what will happen? The delivery will be at same time with your invoice. Okay. So example, now if you're going for any mart to purchase something. Okay, so immediately what will happen? They'll create your order, and then simultaneously your delivery and the billing will be happen. Okay, on the same time. So no delay on this goods or non or invoice it is. So at the same time you will receive the billing and also your goods. So in this transaction, what will happen? There are some settings are there that you have to remember what the basic settings in document type, and there's a different document type is there. So in the standard it is OR. Now in the cash shell it is standard is CS. Okay, so there is CS also is there and BV also is there. So two documents types are there. Okay, so let's start with uh one VOV8. I'll just show you. VOV8 is for what? Sales order. Okay, sales order. Now we have our standard order is OR. Okay. Now we have another standard is CS. Okay, CS. So CS and standard, if you compare, okay, this category will be remain same thing. Okay, category it will be remain the same thing. But the main changes is what? The main changes will be your delivery type and the
फिर
billing type.
आपका आवाज थोड़ा सा कट कट होके आ रहा है। अब्दुल, आपको भी आ रहा है क्या कि मेरे को आवाज
क्या? हाँ थोड़ा।
आवाज कट हो रहा है थोड़ा सा बीच बीच में।
आवाज कट हो रहा है क्या? एक सेकेंड।
हाँ।
अभी हाउस नाउ अभी ठीक है क्या?
हाँ ठीक है।
ओके. So I was telling it. So there's a sales order for uh, cash sales with the number document type CS. Category will remain same thing as you have a order. And if you go here, the main changes is in a delivery type. The delivery type is CS. If you look here, delivery type BV, and here order delivery billing type will be a BV. Actually, it should be a BV. So I'll just show you from another document is uh, cash sales BV. Okay, so this is a document type and the order related billing type. So main changes what will happen here, immediate delivery X should be there. Okay, if you look here in the Excel also I have marked there. Okay, so delivery type should be a B, shipping condition should be C. Okay, now if you look here, it is 3 years shipping condition and immediate delivery should be a X mark. If you look here X mark, it is create delivery immediately if quantity confirmed for today. Okay. Now same way, order related billing type also should be BV. It is order related billing also it is BV. Okay. Now one thing it is now in this shipping condition in the ECC it was a 10, but in a HANA it is 3 immediately. Okay, so you can use as a 3 year. So while using this 3, you also have to make sure that in the customer master data also you should make as a 3. Clear? This you have to remember. Parmeshwar Abdul, clear about this? Because shipping condition you have to change in the customer master data. Okay, so what we have created previously, that you have to change it and you have to give it 3 there. Okay. And make sure in MM02, if we go here, this plan data, in the plan data, this availability check you should give as a no check. Okay, 1. And in customer master data, in customer master data, okay, in customer master data shipping, you should change this to shipping condition as 3. Okay, these two things you have to remember it is. Okay, and now if you go for, this is V7 item category is there. So I'll tell you later. Okay, it is nothing, it is, there is no change here, just a standard one, it is VVN item category. So under VV item category, the business billing relevance should be a B. If you look here, VO V7, if you go for VVN, the billing category should be B, this. Okay, relevant for the order related billing status. That's it. So what will happen here? While creating a sales order, I'll just show you. I'll create and show you. अब यहाँ पे just go for order, give your, okay, so already I have created with the NIBV, actually new document type I have copied. So I have copied from BV to NIBV, same thing. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask me. Give this, okay, enter. Okay, so now you give your customer material 1, enter. Now what will happen when you enter it? Okay, so this item category will get changed. If you see here, BVN item category. So just save it. Before that, give the storage location. Storage location, save it. Okay, now see here, what will happen? Cash shell is created, but simultaneously delivery also has been created. So no need to create a separate delivery for this. Clear?
डायरेक्टली क्रिएट हो रही है क्या सर डिलीवरीज के अंदर?
Yes. The cash shell का transaction वही होता है. So delivery will be created simultaneously. The only thing you have to send a boot issue confirmation. So that to you go for delivery. If you go here, it is already created. So it will shows as a already created here. Okay. It is already created. So now go for change. Go for change. Post good issue. But post before good issue, pick the quantity. Okay. Pick the quantity and good. Okay. Now sale cash sale as safe material document is being created. Now what will happen? Material document is being created. Now simultaneously, if you go for VF01, if you look here, this is order number will be taken in because we already saved in VOV8, not VOV8, sorry, it is on VOV7, BVM If you look here, this is what billing related order related billing. Okay. So one order related billing. If you go enter, enter. Okay. Save it. Okay. Document saved. No general entry generated. Go for okay. Change. Go for change. Post. Release. Okay. Remember the cash sale transaction. Okay. Tax code AQ in the somebody change it. Item category 4 not allowed in the accounting. What does it happen? Item category 4 not allowed in the accounting transaction. Okay, something each document is assigned to the accounting transaction variant. Okay, so this is the FI transaction issue. So as of now, ignore this. The only thing is what will happen here. The order related billing will be happen here. Till here only it is the order related billing will be happen. Okay, so there just you have to go for the release to the document and it will be finished. Okay, the main purpose is what? Okay, here the main purpose is order number you have to give here. If you go for VF01, normally what will give here? What document number will give here? Permission or
order number, sales order number.
no delivery number. Sorry,
डिलीवरी
delivery number. Okay, ये बिलिंग है ये बिलिंग में देते हैं डिलीवरी नंबर राइट.
अच्छा
हाँ तो उसके लिए बिलिंग देते हैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ ऑर्डर ले रहा है फॉर कैश सेल्स. ओके दैट इज व्हाट अ डिफरेंट. ओके so if you look here only auto delivery created PGI directly it will happen after sales order, then billing based on the sales order, not with the delivery. That is what a different. Okay, now coming to the material master data. In material master data, what is it? Material master data. I'll just go with the SPRO. SPRO. So it's all same steps of basic functions, material master data, material determination. So if you look here, see I have taken the screenshot also. Okay, material prerequisite for material maintain, prerequisite for the material determination. Okay, so all these things is there. So if you look here, maintain prerequisite, this is also like same pricing type of. Okay, catalogs are there, access sequence are there. If you go for access sequence, okay, so access sequence standard I'll show you A001. What will happen in the A001? The table is given as a 001. That is material enter. Okay, so you have to generate that field same as the pricing. Then you go for condition. So in the condition master data, Okay, so here nothing but you have to just create assign here A00 and then standard access sequence. Okay, so I have created here. No, so if somebody create change here, so give as a standard A001. Okay, so then if you go for a maintain document determination procedure, here there is a standard A001 control panel, control data A001. So everything is standard, same as it is pricing procedure. Okay, the only thing now condition table it is already 001. Okay, 001, 001, nothing is there. Now coming to the assignment part. So this will be assigned to your document. That's it. So what's the document? NSOR. NSOR. So you just need to assign your material determination. Save it. Give your material determination, assign it, and there is a material substitution reason is there. If you want to give a material substitution. Okay, so what will happen? Material determination. So when you create sales order, I'll just show you how it will work. VA01. Okay, so one thing you have created here. Okay, VR02 assign. VB11 you have to assign first. VB11. Where if you go to logistics, sales distribution channel, master data, product, and then material determination. VB11, give A001, enter, enter, okay, give your material, NIS, NIS material, and uh, NIS scooter. Now, so if example, you don't have material cycle, might be your cycle, it's like you have a less stock, or you might be wanted the customer to replace with this scooter. So give this, save it. Okay, so if you want you can give the change reason also. If you go here reason, you can give your reason dummy something. Okay, so where is that dummy? So if you look here in the below this step, this, okay, define substitution reason. So here strategies are there, warning are there. So if you want automatically take, select automatically and save it. Okay, now go for VA01. VA01, give your sales order NSOR customer material. Okay, now when you give the material, what will happen? Just enter. Okay, now if you look here, material quantity give as 1. Okay, see here. Now what will happen? Default it got changed to scooter. Okay, so this is what the material determination. So you might have a say example, instead of one laptop is there, now you have a new model is there. Okay, and you have in a stock that old model is not there, but you want to sell it with the same model but with different variant or with different upgrade laptop or something with color or some configuration extra. So that kind of material you can give that in the material determination. And if you give that old material, it will replace with the new material. Okay. So you give the stock, storage location, save it. Okay, material price difference group. Okay, document is been created. Simple. That's it. Only the thing is material will get changed. That is called as a material determination. Now, if you say cross selling, another topic. In cross selling, what will happen? Okay, so like example, you might be selling on a product to the customer laptop. Along with that, you're giving as a mouse and keyboard or something. So that called as a cross selling. Okay. Now what will happen in the cross selling? Same tables will be there, access sequence, condition type, everything will be there. The only thing you have to assign to the customer master data, the procedure that what you have created, and then maintain that in the master data, and then sales order. If you go for your cross selling, okay, cross selling. Define determination procedure, same catalog, access sequence. If you go for access sequence, standard again it's there. If you want your own, you can create C001. Under C001 access sequence C011, that is nothing but only material. Table it is taken 011. Okay. Now if you go for condition also given as C01 and then C001 standard. Okay, and the procedure it is procedure CS0001. Under that procedure, condition is assigned CS01. And the table it is 00011, I think. Okay. Now, maintain customer document pricing procedure. Cross selling procedure. Now, if you look here, it's already defined with the A, B, C. Okay. Take it as a standard B, cross, and assign this to the customer procedure assigned to the customer, and document pricing procedure it's already same B, cross selling, assign it to the next step in document. Where in document? NSOR. Go here, assign it here B, assign, save it. One thing you have to assign in the document, and another is you have to assign in the BP. Okay, here in the change order, go to customer. Okay, cross selling, save it. Okay, these two areas you have to give, and then come to the master table. That's it. This configuration is, that's it. If you look here, okay. Define and assign cross selling profile you have to, and this is also standard is there. B0001 cross selling profile. So based on this, we'll create a data. Sales organization, distribution channel, division, okay, and then your customer and the document. So how the cross selling determine the what is it, the product or how it work. Then you have to sell the sales area, customer, and the document order document type. If you go here, already I think created here. NIS. Okay. So these I have given already. CS001. CS001. Now go for master data table. master data table, cross selling, VB40. Go for a VB40 and create a CS001. Okay, so you have to just give your date, give your material. Along with that, what are the materials you're giving it? Suppose we have only 2 years cycle and scooter. Now example, your laptop is there one, and you're giving a mouse. And apart from that, along with that, if you're giving a keyboard, double enter, give your list keyboard or something, mouse pad or something extra. If you're giving it wires, that all you can list down here. Okay, and save it. Now if you go for order, give your customer, give your material, enter. Now what will happen? Well, enter, it also comes. One sec. BB41 you have created, and I'm going also. Ah, okay, sorry, I have to remove that the previous one first. Remove this material determination part. Okay, OVRQ. Go for OVRQ. But material determination, assignment, under this, MS, remove this.
सर ये मटेरियल कब डिटरमाइन करना है, जब ऑटोमेटिक दूसरा आइटम अपने को डालना है तो ना,
हाँ,
अगर वो नहीं।
right. Okay, let me try. Okay, now printer sheet showing is double. Now what will showing? So how much quantity you are giving it? If you look here, so how much quantity you are giving it? Suppose laptop along with that mouse. If you want to give one quantity, give as a one quantity and enter, copy. So what is taking it? One is a your main material along with that cross selling. It's a extra promotional or something you're giving it, or you might be charging less amount for that. Okay, scooter. Now if you look here, scroll right side. Okay, so item category will be remain same, but what happened? It is a at higher level item. If you look here, this is taking from the 10 item. Okay, so this is the main changes in this.
सर
So
उसका प्राइस एक दिखाना चाहिए ना फिर उसका,
sorry,
एक का ही प्राइस दिखाना चाहिए ना अगर फ्री दे रहे तो।
फ्री दे रहे हैं तो फ्री नहीं है एक्चुअली। आप इसके साथ अभी कम कम प्राइस या जो भी डिस्काउंट है, तो वो टाइम पे चार्ज कर सकते हैं। अगर से यहाँ पे डबल क्लिक करेंगे, तो देन व्हाट विल हैपन, you if you go for condition, it will shows one that price, it's cycle. Okay, laptop, Again, if you go for shipping, I'll just give you a location. Okay, now next if you go for 40, now if you go here, condition, that pricing also will be get charged. But what will happen? Say example, laptop is you are selling it for 40,000, and mouse is it is like charging something as a 200. But if you are giving as a promotional offer, if you're buying a laptop and you charging it is only just a 50 rupees or 100 rupees. So that pricing will be happening here.
तो उसका प्राइस सेट कहाँ पे करने का है, कम अगर है तो?
Same pricing procedure. Pricing procedure में same changes. So everything it is pricing procedure. Okay. So this also it's created. Okay. So cross selling is only that simple thing. Okay. Now let me remove that cross selling SD02. SD02. Go for order. Cross selling, remove it. And then here, determination, document, and document, MS. I'm just removing, so because the next transaction should not get affected. Okay. So next cross selling is over. Now I'll show you listing and exclusion. Sorry, inclusion and exclusion. ये listing है. Okay. इसमें क्या है? यहाँ पे क्या है? Customer के लिए you selecting it. Whether the customers you giving us a option. So these are the laptop and mouse pad example. You can sell, means this customer you can take this two things. If a customer is asking for desktop or say example here, desktop and keyboard. Now this is excluding. That means this for this particular customer, these two things will not be sell it, and these two things will be allowed. So this will not be allowed, and this will be as an allowed. Okay. Now as in our case, we have two materials, scooter and cycle, right? So we standard is A0001 for inclusion listing, and for exclusion B0001. Okay. So I have taken the screenshot for your reference here. If you go for here, listing and exclusion. So same procedure here. Okay. Now let's see from the access sequence. Access sequence, if we go here, A001 listing, B001 exclusion. It is just customer and material it is selected. Same thing here also, customer and material selected. Okay. So same under that, here table it is there, condition table 001, material listing. This is not required, optimizing, maintain listing and exclusion type. So here it is already condition type is B001, A001. Same thing, access sequence also given as the same name, A00 and the B001. Now go to procedure. In procedure, A001, same again. If you control data, A001. Okay, exclusion for B001 procedure name. Activate listing. Here you have to give the main thing. It is for NS0R. Okay. Here A00